How to delete TestGorilla account. TestGorilla is a hiring platform that helps companies assess candidates through online skills tests, reducing bias and improving hiring accuracy with objective, data-driven evaluations. Here's how to delete your TestGorilla account in step-by-step. Firstly, go to testgorilla.com. Log into your account using your email and password. Then click your profile icon at the top right corner. Select Settings from the drop-down, then navigate to the Plan and Billing tab. If on a paid plan, click Change Plan. Downgrade to the Free Forever plan. After downgrade, go to the Help Center. Then click on Submit a Request at the top right corner. Choose Account Deletion as the topic. Fill in the form stating "Please delete my account" and all personal data. Submit the request and wait for confirmation email from TestGorilla support. Thanks for watching.